St. Augustine Parish Church, popularly known as Poway Church, is a Roman Catholic church here in Poway, Ilocos Norte. It is the Philippines' existing example of Spanish colonial earthquake Baroque architecture, an interpretation of the European Baroque through the use of enormous buttresses on the sides and back of the building. Built of coral blocks and stucco plastered bricks, Poway Church is one of the oldest churches in the Philippines and is among the major attractions of Ilocos Norte. Outside of the church, there are restaurants and cafes where you can enjoy your foods and drinks.